Hello and welcome to Infix Calculator, the advanced scientific Infix Calculator, iPhone and iPad application by Business Compass LLC. This application is also available on BlackBerry and Android platforms. This one performs 18 basic arithmetic operations. It has scientific notations, ability to specify and perform mixed mode operations, and then it has three probability functions: NCR, NPR, and factorial. Five memory functions: saving in memory, adding into memory, subtracting the memory, read the memory, and clearing the memory, MC. It performs 13 trigonometric operations, including hyperbolic operation and inverse hyperbolic operations, and it has degree, radian, and grade conversions, 7 basic statistical operations, and automatic precedence. The precedence is automated. You can also specify parentheses. It generates random numbers. You can perform rounding, polar to rectangular and rectangular to polar, and precedence is performed without parenthesis. That is also evaluated. Let us see basic arithmetic options. Operation: 7 plus 2 equal to 9, minus 5 equals to this, times 9 equals to this, divided by 6 equals to this. So that is the, and then let us get into square root, square, then 10 to the power x, e to the power y, and 8 e to the power y, and say 216 cube root and cube. So x to the power y, so this to the power 5 equals to this, or square of this, and log of this, natural log. Here's a random number. We want to save the data into the memory. We want to add into memory. We want to read from memory, and say subtract from memory, and memory clear. Now, to perform NPR, say 45 NCR 8 equals to this. So 45 factorial, 47 and 9, that becomes that. And then say rectangular to polar, 45 and this, so x to y. Okay, so rectangular to polar, so 12, 5, and then 12, 5. That's what rectangular polar is. We can do a polar to rectangular, 13, 8, this, that's that. So 12, 5 equals to, okay, rectangular to polar. Now mixed mode operates, say 45, 12. So 12, 5, 4. Okay. So 12, 5, 4 equals that. Converting, and let us do some degree, say 45 minutes, 7 degrees, 9. So sine of that, cos of that, tan of that, inverse sine, inverse cos, inverse tan, and you convert to radian, convert to grad, and now go back to degree, say fix 2 decimal points, so 78.9 square, so everything is 2 decimal points. Similarly, you can actually perform scientific operation, science, um, 2 square root, the scientific operation, and you can also say 4es plus 5, that's addition, and you can also perform hyperbolic functions, hyperbolic sine, hyperbolic cos, and now perform some 5 percentage, 2 percentage, okay, and arithmetic operation, sorry, with parentheses, 5 times 3 minus 4, and that's what it is. See, and let us perform some statistical operation, say statistical, 9 statistical, 7 statistical, 5 statistical. How many numbers we entered? This is the standard deviation, variance, average, sum x square, sum of x. So let us generate a random number. This is the value of the pi. In case you are using, we can also round up to certain decimal points. So as you can see, this is a very useful scientific calculator. This is also available on Android and BlackBerry platforms. To learn more about these applications and other great applications, please visit businesscompassllc.com. Thank you very much.